Na gabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Phi ba ro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Hatu ka jinglong MLA ka de kalanti ban tresmat na trey hong le e ka bomday ne ka badai jubab day upat ba. U MLA ka mau hati uba Charles Marngar ula day uba smart u ya kalanti ka badai u le ya ka upat ba utim na mari ka jingdon kam ka kpo constituency haki kam penroy. Uba Charles Marngar ubalayalam yala ki pat mau hati men haka khatndu turik unailar ban yakendu yo konrat ki sangma namar ki matsi an RD block ha mau hati ka surok intermediate road na Sonidan sho umsning ban kentiu kedan ya ka maurong bat Sonidan sub center Shaka PHC bat kiwe ki surong badang saateng hapo Kamau hati constituency ka PMGSY PS3 bakan thop ya kasurok maurong bakat nyo kilometers kasurok pamlatar bakra kilometers kasurok limput bakat riu kilometers bat kasurok maulasnai syakadot hati ba arpo kilometers yathu utei UMLA. Kamat khaput ka block 2 ba Charles ulet ut hakmat umentri rongba banbu no ya ki school sarkar ha block 2 khamtam ha ki nyotuli kishnong ki bomdan school ka babet ka babiang.
Kejingwan kendu jongi ya Chief Minister Konrad Sangma hagalik step nagaliang jonga kum MLA jonga mawati konstitusi ringkat bat kinong yalam jonga konstitusi Parokowe iwan hangni idon katuk nit ligi demand nak benda ke development konstitusi kawai ka demand ka ba kladai kawai ka long pending demand hakapa nakaliang ke jonga kapur bangalong MDC haka sautrik jong banai agos jong senem araja apwe kladep banuan bani kutu ya minister badai pe ya kesin ardi tu kapur nang iba hamlet dole lengkap kisenjuk kirang basnong jong ke mawati area jong ke Sonedan area bat kiwe nang tadi kaderu kadiman hakapa katuk netli ki NGO ro kapok ke konstitusi ke jonga kila diman ni kani ken mau ke HYC kila diman bat kilawan sangaru bat arsne mensua nakaliang ke FKJGP ru kilawan ban diman ya kani kesin ade blok omtang haka sorgar re kilawan ban kenduru yang anak takane bat ke wei ke bakam ke banga ngahaban dan nyokor kadi ke diman kejing kwa kejing angnut jong kipat ba jong ke konstitusi bandon no la ke jong Community and Rural Development lanai kasi an RD block hamau hati. Di kejingwan kendu jongi menda kasi kedai kediman halon kini dingi sokomen hadu kata ba nakaliang jong Chief Minister ulak kulari kini. La sanction hero ye kini ikut ke office work kilaya menta sanction di kini ulak itu yangi bat ba shen hien saban manano ia kini kasi an RD block. Dingi penpau kejing sokomen ke kraw nak benda ka kejing ailap kejing uban di kendu bangi hak bede bekasian RD block nang tade ka weipat ka ba kwa ban penpau hak bede bekasian RD block ki kejing mentoy ki bangi ngiyo ladang ngiyo ki bekasian RD block kejing mentoy ka bangi ngiyo ladang ngiyo bekasian RD block bede ban pensuk ya ki pai ba namar pi balai ngong umta nado na siang kumba arpau tam teligi snong ki haban wan shadu umsning kejing jengai ke distance ka ba prapau kilometer orang bak senong teng-teng bapli kabai kali umdan uhaban mana seduk syamsni ban reserve ke kali nang tade ki pension teman ki skim yang badok nang ta ki skim ha kabai dai bak kini ki skim ke kam sis pas ni bat kiwai ki jengon kam nama PI ka kasi anak di blok ni kedai ke badil man la kesngi bat ki pai ba tikane kala bu jing ya sisa balada kane ka urlong sisa kum mangilai keren men kesngi bat ngabar tinru bonong ba kala urlong hi na kejingkren kejong Chief Minister kan long sisa kejingkerku ya ke konstitusi hi baru kowe kata kade kowe mat kabaar pi ingin habang ilawan ban kendo ngilabu ro sa kowe mat bat kata kalong ha ka bay day bat usurok intermediate lane ubadangsa na Sonidan syadu syah umsian haka bay day bat uniro so kemen bana kaliang kejong Chief Minister ni ulong positif pan jubab ikene ban ngim atatin ni RUM kum balong kejingnya keren hak ni sini imat ngin nom slam ban yo new surok na sunidan shadu usyang kabadang sa kumasaw po kilometer kawai ro kamat kabalay kabangi ngiwan hang ni kalong ban yu thuru yaki kibabun ma kisurok kijige akalet kawan apo konsulsi kamla ban jerno dang ne dai kum kamau rong ro jadi kawai no surok bala tak pelat ya kelit kawan hakaba ngilade ban ye lumro ya kirang ba snong jong kamau rong ro na kabantaban penyo no ini surok Ting ini tu ipi hoi uladon hakalis jong ke PMJSY phase 3 kat nhiều kilometer nang tade usurok pamlatar nadu ke por ke pa ilong MLA ba jekedor phak hadu mentangin pat yo pra kilometer nang tade usurok napo umlaper selampoi kat 2 kilometer nang ta kawi ke patmai ke badon hakalis jong ke PMJSY phase 3 ke badai namaulas nai sha kedo ati 4 kilometer kini kita gimat kiba nam tahu surok bat kiwai ro surok kibalong internal road bat kiwai kiba connect na kawai kisnong shakwai kisnong kini kita gibang iwan mani kramatang singi kapapot PUE batang syan kadang suwan nang tena po blok tu na kita kisnong laper mat teng telai hi sder ta terten ikawai ke basungsi kalong pa hadu mata kidang don kisnong kibang patong school de ngaso komen hadu kata ye gejing gendo yo chief minister ka tentang singi bana kaliang gejong ula ai ka assurance ula ai hakmat tang jonga hakmat ki leader ki jonga na po constituency but immediately sa shim iki steps pan le no ye kini ki schools popli ki ba mat ki gejing ki ba don ki snong ki bam padon school ki bolong ki bangala banong school less village ki bom padon school ki don ki snong ki padon school break school building kim da kene kede ko way ka mat ka bang ra ban yakran de sa sisin na kaliang jongang pan pa bujung aku play chum stable ai por nga ba ki nong yalam jongi na po ka consultancy pat daga jingkerman ka baskam ba kine baro kin urlong kumba na kaliang chum minister ula hakene kasta kawai ka bang komplet kawai de ba ki PhD upgradation of subcenter to PhD. Hang ni hinga mention tang artili, but kini ki artili ki bangala mention, gidei ki balak don kampala. Hamau hati ngidon tang ko ke PhD. Nang tu kawan syaduk syam try. Te kala idei ke por, based on population, kajing don breu. Kala idei ke por, hakabangin yo no sakawai ke PhD hasonidan. Keniru ala deban ai de memorandum, chief minister. Pat kabaar kaniro kalong top priority hakabangila day ban yo no ya ka PHC primary health center hangtay hapo maurong pan upgradation ya ka sub center maurong syaka maurong PHC ini kidai gibangila bu ya hakabade ba kaniro yang CM ular ban pek banya panwatnya namar pa kidon ki guidelines haban base ka population pat kum ta den kanun ke survey ba kum tata ter nagaleng jungang pa ba jis komen habade ba kaniro naman pa positive response nagaleng chief minister
Nagaliang umintri rong ba akajala konrat ki sangma klemda penslam ulak lay ke jingkula rakmat ki riu rong ba akathan mawhati ba un pinda ban pin ulong ya ke jingdawa upat ba ban bu ya ke community and rural development CNRD blong hamawhati yatu umintri rong ba Ukonran uyatu ke sorkar kelapdiang ya ke jingterwa ban penkha ya ke CNRD blok hamau hati ban sedang no shen ya ke kam ban penkha ya ke blok thamai bagi pat ba kenyo ya ke jing syakri ke bakhamba ban ai ya ke skim ba pher ke sorkar.
Today, a delegation from Mauhati constituency has met me, which was headed by the local MLA from Mauhati, Charles Malanga, and many leaders from Mauhati constituency. And they had shared with me the different needs of Mauhati constituency, explaining to me that how currently the constituency is divided into two different blocks which are quite far away, one in Bhoirambong area and one is in Umsning. And in some areas, people have to even travel over 80 kilometers to reach the block headquarters, which is very difficult and challenging for the people, and also for the government to be able to provide proper service to the grassroots people. So on basis of that, the Honorable MLA, Ba Charles and his leaders have requested if a new CNRD block can be constructed in or can be sanctioned for Mohati area, and this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mohati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal, and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new CNRD block in Mohati so that the people can get better service and access to the different schemes of the government through this new Mohati CNRD block. At the same time, there was a request for the Sonidan to Umsiang Road, which is again a very important connectivity for the people. On this front also, I have given assurance that there is the new package of the World Bank is coming up. In that package, I have assured the people of Mohati area that this particular road under the new World Bank sanction will be taken up. Already it is in the list, in fact, and the DPR is being prepared. At the same time, there are certain areas where there are schools that are required, especially areas which are school-less right now, and those village names were given, about 7 or 8 of them. I have assured the delegation that through my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be sanctioning a certain amount so that these school buildings can be constructed. So it was a very positive meeting. I have seen that Mohati constituency has been neglected a lot. There's not enough development in the past, and therefore a lot needs to be done. And I'm sure now with the active role that the local MLA is playing, we will be able to see much more development coming into the constituency of Mohati. Thank you very much.